My name's Hutchinson. I'm with Augusta Lawn Care. I've been doing it for the last 5 to 6 years. Been with Augusta for 4 years now. I had the Chevy Colorado and pulled a utility trailer behind it. One of the issues that I first started seeing was if I was ever able to not work in the field and I had to have one of the guys drive the truck, they had to know how to drive a truck and trailer. We started buying the ramp racks, which just basically puts the mower in the bed of the truck, gives the guys the ability to drive up on the truck. This setup is far superior to pulling a trailer with a truck. The RAS system helps us support the weight of what would typically be on a trailer that's now in the bed. It puts a lot of weight for this model of truck in the bed, and it causes a lot of squat and a lot of swaying, and that's where this suspension system helps. Before we had the RoadActive suspension system, the trucks were really boaty. It kind of felt like you were on water getting pushed side to side. They swayed a lot, they bumped really hard if you hit a pothole or went over a speed bump too quick, and sometimes they would even scrape because of how much sag was in the truck with the suspension so compressed due to the weight of the mower and the ramp rack on the back. The crew didn't always feel the best driving them. Sometimes, they'd get a little unsteady on the highway or, 50 plus miles an hour. So we've never really had any accidents or major concerns, but the RoadActive suspension system really helps the guys feel more stable, gives them better driving conditions, and they can just drive it like a normal truck again. It's a drastic difference with the RAS system on the truck. It's a lot smoother, a lot stiffer in a good way. The guys, are able to control the truck really well. There's less swaying side to side and up and down with bumps in the road. There's little to no sag compared to the truck without any weight on it, like when it's unloaded. When it's fully loaded, the guys can hardly tell a difference when the system's on it. And it makes tight turns, like cornering in neighborhoods and different things like that, really easy, really smooth. It just feels like driving a normal truck again. We went with the RoadActive suspension system over airbags. We also wanted a system that we could kind of set and forget. Efficiency is really important to us, having all of our trucks up and running during the day. It's super critical, and so we didn't want to be messing with airbags. It's cost effective and it hit all the things that we needed for both support like up and down and also swaying side to side.